Hello guys, and welcome back to another video I'm making, and today this one is all about spraying MDF and setting up our Graco Airless sprayer. At the moment we've got our white silk paint set up in it, just about to prime it through. Got our gun here ready to prime the gun too. It's our stack of MDF that has already been dusted down. At the bottom of the pack we've got the tops and bottoms of a wardrobe. We walk around, you can see the biscuit slots. These particular ones that you can see these little notches in, they are shelves, adjustable shelves, and at the top here they're side cheeks for drawers. And everything standing up there, they're all sides and divisions of a wardrobe, and we've got backings behind them. And we're ready with the rack. Everything's been cleaned off. All our foam pads, they've been given a wipe, so no overspray will touch our new work. And we've got two wheelable racks that we're going to move forward here closer to the turntable. We have minimal walking to and from the spray booth to the racks. And this is where we're going to be spraying. We've got our little turntable here to spin our material around to get all the edges done. Over there are spit buckets. When we get a blockage, we just spit the paint into there or just clean the gun out. So now we've got the fans on the go. We've got the door open over there to let the air circulate, and we've got our stack ready and all our racks ready. Gun to hand, give a little test. Absolutely fine. So what we're going to do is just give a little. Go one done. That's how quick it is with the airless sprayer. I'm going to put this one in the smaller rack. Pick another one up. This face up. Prepared edges towards ourselves. Do the edges first. Turn it around a little bit. So everything's going to get 3 coats eventually, so I'm not going mad with it on the first coat. So we're going to do that for the whole stack, one face at a time. Once they've dried in a few hours, we flip them over, do the other face. Like I said, we've got these big doors, sides in front of us. We've got doors next door. So if I give you a little sneak peek. There you go. So everything that you see on these benches here needs to be primed and painted. What I've just been showing you, so that's to come too. Also trims. Sean's making all the drawers for the actual wardrobe at the moment, so they're going to come through too. I'm cracking on with just painting anything that I can at the moment, just to speed up the process. So every now and then you want to keep an eye on your paints, make sure there's enough. As you can see, there's plenty in there. Look at the PSI, set at 2000 PSI. It's perfect, spraying out nice, spraying a nice pattern. So always keep an eye on your paint, otherwise you get air sucking through the hose. And it's an airless sprayer, so it just won't work. You'll need to reprime it again. So we're getting through the pile now. As you can see, we've got a few on the racks, got the space heater on, just to give the paint a helping hand, so we can get second coat on today, the next few hours. Everything that you just see here, that's probably about 7 or 8 litres of paint, if not more. You've still got the space heater on just to bake that paint on, because if you don't, then MDF grain can rise with the moisture in the paint. Let's give you a demonstration of spraying one of these bigger pieces. So I'm going to set my turntable up a little bit better, a little bit wider. It should balance on there just fine. It's quite big, this piece, but ultimately we will get it on. Let's go and turn the fans on, which is this plug right there. And we can turn power up here if we want. Let's go for full blast, just to show you. Open this door, you'll see it just sucking through, look. Get the gun, do a little test, go for it. As you can see, I'm doing quite a bit of a dust coat. This should be dry in a couple of hours if I have this space heater on. which means I flip it over and do the second face. Because this is a division, It needs 2 faces, and there we go. So the tips I use are always Graco, and 99% of the time they're going to be green because they're fine finish and low pressure. You don't need a lot of pressure to push the paint through, and gives you a really fine atomized paint finish. If you look on there, we're going for a 310. It says FF LP 310. And so the 3 stands for the fan width, so double it, that's a 6-inch fan width, and the 10 stands for the hole, so how much paint it lets through. And it's perfect. I would advise going for Graco, 310s, 410s, 210s. That is my preferred number. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that insight to the spraying was helpful. Hope to see you in the next video. Cheers guys, see you later, bye bye bye.